Hey, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing another unboxing, but I have a few things that I have to tell you. One is I actually don't have green hair, it's a wig. Anyways, you've seen that in some other videos, I think. And the other thing I have to tell is I have an uploading schedule. I have a guaranteed video on Tuesday and Friday at 2 o'clock Eastern time, and sometimes, like with my cinematics I've been doing lately, I upload those like right away because I want to see if I get a copyright strike, and I haven't gotten any so far, so yay. So I upload those like right away. Some I'll upload guaranteed Tuesdays and Fridays, but other days I'll just see how I'm feeling and maybe post then. But anyways, now for the unboxing. Today I have a yo-yo called the YoyoFactory Space Cadet. It looks like it's a good yo-yo for finger spins from the box. So we'll go to the desk and actually unbox it. So we're at the desk now, and now we're gonna unbox it. I have an extra string here if it doesn't come with the string. But anyways, let's open it up. It looks like it's one of the boxes that you can hang from other boxes. I actually have some right over here. The edge and the shutter, I have both of those. And then, so now we're gonna unbox it, and inside the box it has some weird packaging that's not really usual for YoyoFactory, which is kind of cool. I like it. We're gonna put that over there. And it looks really nice. I got the purple color, if you can't tell, because it's kind of weird. It's like bluish purple, but I got the purple color. And so if we take some of this stuff out of here and put the cage up, it looks like that. And set that aside. The first looks of the yo-yo, it looks pretty cool actually. And I kind of want to try a finger spin with it, so we're gonna have to definitely try that like first. But I'm pretty sure this is bimetal. It was on sale on YoyoFactory for like $40. It's usually $100. But I really like this yo-yo, and I always wanted to try it. And I finally got it, so we're gonna go try it. I forgot to do this in the last clip, and I just stringed it up. But I forgot to do this in the last clip. I usually do an edge comparison in my unboxings, so it's pretty small compared to the edge. It's pretty small. It's a smaller yo-yo, but it does look pretty cool, so we're gonna try it now, and let's quick wind it up. So it's wound up now, and first throw, it's pretty good, actually. It feels pretty cool. The response pads are actually pretty good. It doesn't look like it snaps if you're doing like a really intense slack trick. Yeah, it doesn't snap. That's always good. Now for the finger spins. I'm really curious about this. Oh, it doesn't really want to finger spin. Oh, but when you get it in the groove, it just stays right on your finger. But usually if you like move your finger, it'll go insane, like it has a metal thingy in the middle, like a dimple or something like that. That would make it go insane then. I really think this yo-yo should be good for finger spins, but it's not really okay. It's not a good beginner finger spin yo-yo, so I don't suggest that for beginning finger spin. But for like overall usage and play, it's actually pretty good. I do like it. Like a basic hand grind, that's pretty good actually. So I would probably give this one a 7 out of 10. Yeah, I like this yo-yo a lot. I'll use it a lot more in my tutorials, but I've been getting a lot of feedback from people that say you should do harder tricks, so I will definitely have some harder tricks coming up. I just wanted to get the basic motions of stuff down for the new yo-yo beginner players, but I will be doing some newer videos soon, and I have some ideas of harder tricks in mind. So don't worry about that. I will get some harder tricks in. There's no worry about that. But thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.